Have you ever seen a pole dance performance outdoors? In this video, I documented the backstage of the cover band Phil's pole dance performance. The stage is prepared, the lights are dimmed, captivating a realm of pole dancing. I was invited to perform with the 25th anniversary cover band Phil. Ellie and I had the opportunity to share our passion on the beautiful stage, dancing to Mama in freestyle. The day of preparation unfortunately experienced wet weather, but luckily the day of the pole dance performance had a dry weather. The audience space accommodated 5,000 people, and the tickets were reported to be sold out weeks in advance. Through this experience, I gained knowledge on how to assemble two different stage poles from different brands. Personally, the Italian pole brand had their simple installation process and was the quickest stage pole I've ever set up. On the other hand, the Lupit pole was more complex to assemble. We faced the challenges in evenly setting the plate. In any case, if you have a preference or experience to share, please let me know by leaving a comment below. It was enjoyable to dance in front of the 5,000 people from different generations than usual. I would like to express my gratitude to Sandra for allowing us to use the stage pole on this day. As we approach the conclusion, we are going on the stage! Woo! Look at this! Yay! Excited! I sincerely thank you for stopping by and encourage you to subscribe if you enjoy my pole dance journey. See you in the next video.